Wow, that is a lot of stew.
I want to eat home-cooked food every day, but don't have time to cook. After 25 years in the kitchen, 2 cookbooks, and becoming a new dad, I'm building a system to feed my family fresh, organic meals with minimal cooking. In this series, I'll show you how to eat better for less using seasonal, organic ingredients, all within the UK's average household food budget. Today's dish is a slow-cooked braised pork that feeds my family 5 times over. Stick around to learn my 5 prime tips for saving time and money while cooking at home. Tip 1. Batch cook. Cook once, eat multiple times. Braised pork is perfect for batch cooking. This recipe will stretch across multiple meals, saving you time and money. Cook once, portion up, and freeze meals for later. Plus, batch cooking helps reduce food waste and means you always have a homemade meal ready to go. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to portion and freeze this dish so you're set for the week. Tip 2. Root to fruit eating. Use the whole ingredient to maximize nutrition and reduce waste. Like these apples, I never peel anything, and I'm preparing this cabbage from root to fruit by using the outer leaves, stem, and everything in between. It saves money and adds more nutrients to your meals. Tip 3. Flip the plate. Think beans before beef. Reduce meat and add more plant protein. Here I've used just 65 grams of meat per portion, bulking out the dish with beans, which makes it more nutritious, affordable, and climate friendly. Beans are packed with protein and fibre, keeping meals filling and balanced without relying on 2 big portions of meat. By flipping the plate, you stretch your budget while eating better. Tip 4. Use vinegar instead of alcohol. Vinegar is my secret weapon for depth of flavour. A splash of cider vinegar replaces expensive alcohol and adds a complex depth of flavour and acidity, cutting through the fat. It's a cost-effective trick and flavour bomb that can enhance your meals. Tip 5. Nose to tail eating. Using affordable cuts like pork shoulder reduces costs while keeping meals satisfying for us omnivores. Slow cooking meats is one of my favourite ways to cook, turning economical cuts into rich, tender, restaurant quality meals, perfect for batch cooking. By using more of the animal, you get better value and support sustainable food practices. This isn't just one recipe, it's a system for eating well with less effort. If you want more ways to cook smarter, subscribe and let me know what dishes you'd like to see next. Try this braised pork and share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear how you make it your own.
Okay, so I'm going to portion this specifically for my family. I know that my wife and I like a big bowl of stew that would weigh 600 grams, whereas our daughter will eat half as much, 300 grams. Our 6-month-old is just starting to eat, so she's just going to pick a little bit of our food so we don't have to portion hers. So in each tub, I'm going to portion 1.5 kilos, which I know will feed my family for lunch or dinner. It's actually really surprising how that small joint of meat has disintegrated but really filled out the stew, making it look really meaty and satisfying. Okay, let's give it a try. This is such a warming, hearty dish for a cold spring afternoon or evening. So there we have my braised pork stew with apples, butter beans, and cabbage. Thanks for watching. It means the world.